Within next few seconds, I am going to show you how you can come up with some great video ideas by doing proper research that will drive views and of course money to your YouTube channel with proofs from my successfully running YouTube channel. And then in the rest of the video, I will show you practically from where you can get these ideas, and next how you can write the content for your video so that more and more people watch your video till the end. This is no magic, no rocket science, but simple and easy things to do. YouTube is the second largest search engine of the world and second most visited website, getting almost 34.6 billion monthly visitors, where almost 30,000 hours of videos uploaded every hour. Hence, it may seem impossible to stand out of these numerous great creators with such a huge amount of videos already present in the platform. Now, here comes the strategic part, using which you can get a considerable amount of traffic to your video. First, I am showing you the statistics of one of my videos from my travel channel so that you can have an idea. I made the video on Wayanad tour plan, including details like how to go there, places to visit, cost, where to stay, what to eat, days required to visit there, etc. using only pictures of the place. And here is the analytics of my video. Within first 15 days, I got 15,000 views on it, and that gradually increased. And after 2.5 years, I got 2.5 lakhs views on this video. Till date, it has given me 1400 subscribers and 9300 hours of watch time. The numbers are still growing each day. As you can see, in last 48 hours, I got 2628 views from it. And above all, this single video gave me $144.95. User retention is also 31.8%, which means 31.8% of people watched my video till the end. Now, here are 4 steps following which you can also make such a successful video. If you already have a channel, then take a look at your older videos where you have got some good comments from your viewers. Like in this Kerala tour plan video of our channel, we have got some great suggestions such as, "This is only South Kerala and North Kerala should also be shown." From this comment, we got the idea of our next video topic, and this is on a tour plan of North Kerala. By now we have got our basic idea. In our case, it is North Kerala tourist places. But if you are new to YouTube, then you can directly search on Google for a trending topic on your niche. And then follow the next steps as I mentioned here. Like here I am searching on trending tourist places of India. Now it's time to find out the exact keyword or simply the word or group of words with which we want our video to be shown on YouTube and get clicked by people. To do so, we will return to Google and search with our basic idea. Here I am searching with North Kerala tourist places and get these results. I am opening the first article. Now I can see that 7 out of these 20 places suggesting a spot in Wayanad. So now I have got my place. I will make a video on Wayanad. Now move to step 3 to see how other people are making a video on this topic and how I can stand out of the crowd. For that, you have to go to YouTube and make use of YouTube autocomplete search bar. How to do that? When you type anything on YouTube search bar, it completes your sentence, and these are the actual words by which people search on YouTube in order of popularity. Here in my case, I am searching with Wayanad. Now here are some topics or video ideas people are looking for. when are trip, when are tourist places, and so on. This is interesting. It is actually suggesting us our video title. Look, before you even start making your video, you have found your video title. Let's get deeper into it. Let's add another word, say tour. Like I am typing Wayanad space tour. As soon as I press the space bar, YouTube is suggesting some other titles which people are searching on YouTube. At this point, you may take the help of a tool, autocompleteme.io, and check for the title here. Also, from both these options, in my case, I got a common suggestion, that is Wayanad tour plan. Another reason behind taking this topic is the search volume and competition of keyword, which I am checking using vidIQ, which is a great tool. From here I can see that the search volume of this keyword phrase is almost 1500. That means monthly 1500 persons search this keyword on YouTube, and the competition for this keyword is low. That will help me to rank my video higher on YouTube more easily than only with Wayanad or Wayanad tour. This fourth step is extremely crucial. This step will help you to write proper content so that you can stand out of the crowd. Now search on YouTube using your keyword. I am searching using Wayanad tour plan. Here, most of the results are showing travel vlogs or some personal experience of the people who visited that place, and all are great. Now making another vlogging or personal experience will not do much good. Instead, I have to find some ideas that are new and will help travelers planning their trip. So, I decided to make a tour guide aka tour plan, following which anyone can visit the place comfortably. I did my research on that and made my video. And finally, I got the result that I shared at the beginning of the video. Here, you will have to use your analytical ability and think how differently and beautifully you can design your content so that you can stand out and get more views. Are these tips helpful for you? If so, then please like and share the video and make comments below. Your opinion means a lot to us. Thanks for watching it.